Exercise isn't just for athletes or fitness enthusiasts. It's for everyone, including older adults who want to stay healthy and strong. Gentle movements like walking or stretching can activate your body's natural repair systems, reduce stiffness, and improve balance and mobility. In this video, we'll explore how exercise works as a natural healer by focusing on the incredible physiological benefits it offers, especially as we age, helping you stay active and enjoy your life to its fullest. Regular physical activity is well known to support cardiovascular health, helping to lower blood pressure, regulate blood sugar levels, and maintain healthy cholesterol. It also improves circulation by increasing nitric oxide in the blood vessels, making them function more efficiently. While intense exercise like marathon running can have risks, engaging in moderate and consistent movement like dancing, swimming, and cycling offers significant benefits, reducing the chances of heart disease and even lowering the risk of heart-related deaths. Beyond the heart, exercise is a cornerstone of rehabilitation in chronic conditions. For example, in patients with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, a 6-week intensive exercise program improved their exercise tolerance by over 75%. These patients also developed more efficient breathing patterns, enhancing oxygen delivery and reducing fatigue. Exercise also shows great promise for individuals with chronic kidney disease, which is often associated with cardiovascular complications and muscle wasting. Regular activity is linked to improving heart health by remodeling the heart muscle. Early studies suggest that exercise can slow the progression of kidney disease and address related complications. Beyond the heart and lungs, exercise plays a crucial role in keeping our muscles and bones strong as we age. Just like other human body systems, our musculoskeletal system undergoes significant changes over time, leading to a loss of muscle mass, weakened bones, and increased risk of injury. However, just as exercise strengthens the heart and lungs, it also supports muscle regeneration and bone health, slowing down the effects of aging and reducing the risk of fractures and mobility issues. One of the most common age-related musculoskeletal conditions is sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle mass and strength that can begin as early as our 30s. This decline is linked to factors like inflammation and reduced ability of muscles to repair themselves due to the impaired activation and renewal of satellite cells, which are essential for muscle repair and growth. Over time, this leads to weaker, less efficient muscles. Similarly, bones lose density over time, increasing the risk of osteoporosis characterized by the decrease of bone mass, and an increased risk of fragility fractures due to the imbalance between bone formation and reabsorption. With age, this balance shifts, favoring resorption, leading to weaker bones. The solution to this is to age healthily through exercise. Regular physical activity not only improves muscle strength, metabolism, and regeneration, but also enhances satellite cell activity and reduces fibrosis. For bones, weight-bearing and resistance exercises stimulate bone remodeling, enhancing bone density and promoting regeneration. Exercise strengthens both the muscles and bones, reducing the risk of fractures, improving mobility, and promoting overall physical performance. Did you know that exercise also has remarkable benefits for your brain? With age, our brains face challenges, like slower processing speeds and memory changes. Regular aerobic exercises like walking, swimming, or cycling can protect your brain, and one of the main ways is by reducing something called oxidative stress, which can actually harm our brain cells. So what exactly is oxidative stress? It's a process that happens when harmful or unstable molecules called reactive oxygen species, or ROS for short, build up in the body. These molecules can damage brain cells, leading to memory issues and increasing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. But good news, exercise can help lower these harmful molecules, protecting our brain from damage. Resistance training, or RT, like lifting weights or body weight exercises, is particularly effective. A study of 83 older women found that after 12 weeks of RT, their bodies became much better at neutralizing these harmful ROS molecules. Why is that? Well, RT enhances antioxidant potential, which helps fight oxidative stress. Exercise boosts your body's production of antioxidants, which act like a cleanup crew for your brain. Antioxidants neutralize harmful molecules, improving brain health over time. In the same study, participants trained 3 times a week with increasing resistance and took 35 grams of whey protein before or after workouts. This led to higher antioxidant enzyme activity, strengthening the bone's defense against damage. The overall antioxidant potential increased to 9.4%. While exercise strengthens the heart, lungs, muscles, and the brain, its benefits go even deeper, as it plays an essential role in reducing inflammation and helping your body heal. Inflammation happens when your immune system reacts to stress, injury, or illness. While this is helpful in small amounts, too much inflammation over time can lead to problems like heart disease, arthritis, or diabetes. When you exercise regularly at a moderate pace, your body releases molecules that lower inflammation and support healing. For example, exercise reduces harmful substances like C-reactive protein, a marker of inflammation, and this increases helpful anti-inflammatory compounds. This keeps your body in balance and reduces the risk of developing chronic diseases. But exercise doesn't just help with inflammation, it also activates a natural process called autophagy. During this process, your cells remove damaged or worn out parts and replace them with healthy components. This keeps our cells working efficiently and protects them from age-related conditions like Parkinson's disease. Interestingly, exercise can even teach certain immune cells, like macrophages, to work better. Macrophages are part of your immune system, and their job is to remove harmful invaders and repair tissue. Regular physical activity improves how these cells function, helping them reduce inflammation and support healing. Now that you have learned why exercise is essential for your health, it's time to put that knowledge into action. Exercise strengthens your heart, improves breathing, protects your brain, and keeps your muscles and bones strong. It also reduces inflammation and helps your body heal, keeping you resilient as you age. No matter where you start, every movement counts. So take that first step, stay active, and experience the incredible benefits of exercise for a healthier, stronger you.